My name is Jill Wells. I'm an artist, an advocate, and a mentor, and I'm an Iowa-based artist. The large-scale art installation located at the Broadlawns Drake Clinic at 29th and University consists of 3 panels. They're 7 feet in width, and then they're 12 feet in height. The color palette that I went with is a ombre blue, so it's like a French ultramarine blue, super deep and rich. And blue has been shown to provide a sense of wellness and calming psychologically within color theory. And it also pairs nicely with the colors that are part of the branding of Broadlawns and Drake. So I think overall very cohesive background color. Another way to welcome you into the space is through the arrangement of the butterflies that move across the surface. The diversity within the butterflies are welcoming, I think, and inclusive, and then the way that they move from the bottom of the panel towards the middle of the panel and the center, and then up towards the top left of the third panel, kind of welcome you into the space, moving you closer and closer towards the reception area, moving from maybe low points to mid points to high points in life. And so I wanted to have a narrative conversation within the works that used color, that used movement, and then also used symbolism. So the butterfly has been adopted within the mental health community to talk about different phases oftentimes that folks experience within their mental health journey. I really enjoy the imagery and the use of the butterfly for that reason as well. The butterflies are about 1,500 in total. 3-dimensional butterflies, braille butterflies, iridescent butterflies, metallics, different patterns. Working on this project with Broadlawns was honestly like a dream project. Had a lot of autonomy. We had great roundtable discussions about not only the artwork, but how it would be integrated architecturally into the space. It was honestly a dream team and a dream project. My hope in folks' experience with the work is that they will have a feeling of not only delight, but also a centered or maybe a calmed, enjoyable experience and a welcoming experience, and maybe a little sense of awe and wonder as well.